Okay, so Mugman, I'm gonna say something and it's not gonna end up good. Why? What happened? You know that photo I showed you? Yeah. About the thing? Yeah. Well, that was a legit photo. Wait, what? Yeah. So, um, I don't know how to explain it, but it just happened. It just happened at the party. I don't know what happened. Cuphead, what do you mean by it's not gonna end? Cuphead, what do you mean by it's not gonna end up well? What do you mean by how this is not gonna end up well? Well, my man, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm gonna crash the car. Wait, what? I'm gonna end this, Mugman. I have suicidal thoughts. Thoughts because of it. Come on, no! Come on! Come on! I'm gonna do it! No! Mugman, I now regret this!
Oh, now you do!
Mugman, go! Ah!